Good morning, students. This is a computer class. So you all remember we were discussing about chapter 5, which was presentation visual effects. So we discussed what is PowerPoint, and the point that we mainly discussed was viewing presentation. And I told you the meaning of slides and how many views are there, which help us to preview our presentation, how it will look and all. Okay, so out of these 5 views we successfully discussed normal view, and I know you have understood normal view nicely. Okay, since in the query session you did not ask any question about it. So this point was quite easy as it is default view. Okay, so this is also called the main editing view. Okay, this is also called the main editing view. Also I told you about how you can find these views, where these options lie, but as we discuss these 4 points we will again see where we can find these views. Okay, and first of all let us just discuss normal view again. Not discuss, but just give it a small revision, a 5-second revision. Okay, so students, normal view is a default view. It is also called main editing view. Okay, so maximum activities that we do in PowerPoint we are doing in normal view only. Okay, we can add text, graphic, sound, animation, anything, and we can create the design that we want. And it is mostly when we open the PowerPoint, we work in normal view. Okay, so this was a small quick revision. So now let us discuss other views, which is outline view, slide sorter view, notes page view, and reading view. Okay, so students, let's see this once more, where we can find these views. Okay, we have to open MS PowerPoint, click on views, then click on presentation views. Okay, we open MS PowerPoint. This we can open, we can go to programs and type there MS PowerPoint. It will come there. We will click on that, and then MS PowerPoint will open. Okay, it will open, and this is the name of the program, I mean the software. Then after that we see a ribbon. Okay, here in the ribbon we get options like file, home, insert, design, transition, animation. Then in that line only you will see this option view. You have to click on views. Okay, and after you click on views, the ribbon, there is another ribbon below these options. Okay, below these options there is another ribbon. So when we click on view, the ribbon below these options, home, insert, etc., it will change, and everything related to view will be presented here. Okay, I hope everything is clear now. And here right on the left side, I mean on the left side, you will see all these options of presenter views, which is normal view, slide sorter view, notes page view, reading view, outline view. Okay, and the status bar is here below. Okay, here, so you will be able to find things easily. Now we have already discussed normal view, and again this is important, students, you need to know about it. When we open our MS PowerPoint, okay, there are mostly 3 panes are there in which we work. This is the slide pane. Okay, these are all the options. These options I have not written it here, these are all the options. Then the slide which is presented here, it is slide pane. Okay, below slide pane you see notes pane. Here you see your slide, here you can write your notes, and this is the navigation pane, where you are able to see all of your slides related to your presentation. Okay, keep these in mind, students, this is very important. Navigation pane is here, slides pane is here, and notes pane is here. Okay, this is the this is an important thing you need to keep in your mind related to the views. Okay, this is going to help. So let's move on to outline view now. So outline view, students, we discussed about normal view, which is the default view. We work it is given already on the screen. It is default, which means as we open MS PowerPoint, we start working on it. But there is another view next to it which is called outline view. Now what is the work of outline view? Outline view is mainly for displaying the text. Okay, it is mainly for displaying the text, which means the text of each and every slide in the navigation pane. Okay, so as we click on view, we see presentation views, all the options. Next to normal view is outline view, and as we click on it, all the text which is related to each of our slides in one presentation is seen in the navigation pane. Now how do we see that? Let me tell you. Suppose this is our screen. Okay, this is our screen, don't mind my art. Okay, this is our screen. These are all the options, home, view, and everything is here. Okay, so here I told you the screen is divided into three parts. Just now we revised also, students. This is the navigation pane, this is the slides pane, okay, and here is the notes pane. Okay, now when we click on outline view, what happens? Suppose we have 5 slides here, 1 slide, 2 slide, 3 slide, 4 slide, 5 slide. Okay, all the contents of the 5, all the text appear clearly here in the navigation pane. Here you can see the slide, here you can add the notes, and here when we click on outline view, we can see all our 5 example 5 slides, all the contents, the text contents of our slides here. ओके, स्लाइड 1 का टेक्स्ट कंटेंट यहाँ पे, उसके नीचे 2 लिखा रहेगा, और स्लाइड 2 का टेक्स्ट कंटेंट यहाँ पे. सो स्टूडेंट्स, ओनली सिंस ओनली द टेक्स्ट व्यू इज सीन हियर इन द navigation pane, we can easily see if any problem is there in any of our slides and make corrections. That is the work of outline view. It will help us to make corrections by showing us the text of our slides. Okay, all the text is only given here, and it is given in small, you can say it is written in a very small size, so you can easily see your text. ऊपर नीचे हम उसको कर सकते हैं, and we can easily see our text. If there is any kind of problem, we can make corrections here. That is the main work of outline view. Okay, I hope the what we do in this view is clearly visible to you. Please don't mind my art, students. I hope I was able to explain it to you. However, if you feel any confusion regarding this view, kindly tell me in the comment section. Okay, and the next thing we will discuss is slide sorter view. Okay, so slide sorter view, students. Now we just saw outline view, how outline view helps us to make corrections, and there is another slide sorter view. Now students, in this, when we click on slide sorter view, things completely change. Suppose we have, I took the example of 5 slides. I wanted to make a presentation and I used 5 slides for it. Okay, I made 5 slides for presentation. Okay, now what slide sorter view is going to do? As I click on slide sorter view, it is going to view all my slides next to each other. Okay, I have used only example of 5 slides. First slide, second slide, third slide, fourth slide, and 5 slide. These slides were made by me. Okay, students, it is an example. I am using an example to explain things to you. 1 slide, 2 slide, 3 slide, 4 slide, and 5 slide. Okay, example. As I clicked on slide sorter view, this is how my screen is going to look. All the slides will be placed next to each other. Now only the slides are viewed along with the contents, and here if we see that the positioning of slides is not proper according to our presentation, then we can just change the position. We have to click on it, drag it to the place where we want the slide to appear. Okay, suppose I want the 5th slide to be right next to the first slide, so I'll just click on it, drag it to second place, and it will be placed here. That's it. Okay, this is how slide sorter view helps. Suppose I want number 2 to be placed at this place, so I'll just click on it, hold it and drag it to this place. Okay, and that's how I'm going to reposition my slide. Okay, so that's how slide sorter view helps us. So students, we have today discussed the outline view and slide sorter view. I hope you have understood these 2 points. Now where are we going to find these? When we open MS PowerPoint. Okay, MS PowerPoint पे क्लिक करेंगे. MS PowerPoint पे क्लिक करेंगे. उसके बाद यहाँ पे जो ऊपर के साइड पे रिबन आता है, विल सी इन दैट रिबन द ऑप्शन ऑफ व्यू इज गोइंग टू अपीयर. ओके, व्यू. After we click on view option, what the ribbon below these options, which is home, insert, animation, etc. Below this ribbon, one more ribbon is there, and the options are related to the above ribbon. यानी कि व्यू से रिलेटेड, व्यू पे जैसे ही क्लिक करेंगे उसके नीचे व्यू से रिलेटेड सारे ऑप्शंस अपीयर कर जाएंगे और वहाँ पे हम क्लिक करेंगे प्रेजेंटेशन व्यूज़. ओके, प्रेजेंटेशन व्यूज़. ये ऐसे करके सारे के सारे ऑप्शंस एक साथ अपीयर कर जाते हैं यहाँ पे. ओके, यहाँ पे अपीयर कर जाते हैं और उसमें आपको 5 ऑप्शंस मिलते हैं स्टूडेंट्स. नॉर्मल व्यू, आउटलाइन व्यू, स्लाइड सॉर्टर व्यू, नोट्स पेज व्यू एंड रीडिंग व्यू. ओके, एंड डिज़ायर्ड जो व्यू है उस पर हम क्लिक कर सकते हैं जो प्रॉब्लम है उसको सॉर्ट करने के लिए. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ वी हैव डिस्कस्ड नॉर्मल व्यू, outline view and slide sorter view. Okay, let's keep it to this point here. However, if you feel any kind of confusion, kindly tell me in the comment section. I will try my best to sort it out for you. And if you are wondering why we are not doing the practical form of it directly, so students, I want you to understand things first so that when we do the practical, everything is crystal clear to you. Okay, that is the reason, that is the only reason. I want you to understand things in the best ways. That's why. Okay, so I'm able to explain in these ways, so when we'll do the practical part, you'll be able to make things, you'll be able to understand things clearly. Okay students, I hope you have understood. I have cleared every doubt, and one of you had asked me about the slide show. How do we do the slide show? So students, that we will also do in practical part. Okay, it is not there, but I'll tell you since you have asked me. Okay, till then, take care students.